Check it out. We've just installed the 2016 to 2018 Subaru Forester Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay in Android Auto. This high-resolution replacement screen has fitted in place of the factory unit, and it's going to give you wireless CarPlay in Android Auto as well as a whole lot more. This video will show you how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay as well as best practices. We have a full installation video and an overview video on our YouTube channel. You'll see this, the Hamilton underlying operating system, when you first power on the unit. To set up wireless CarPlay, go ahead and pull out your iPhone, open Settings, and click Bluetooth. Wait until you see a new device called Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. You can disregard what it says and click Pair. Click Allow to Contacts and Favorites, and wait just a moment. When you get the prompt that says Connect to CarPlay, click Connect. And just like that, wireless CarPlay will automatically open. We've designed our devices to fit the display with Smart Display Zoom Off. Come to Settings in CarPlay, Display, and turn off Smart Display Zoom. This is how the Hamilton engineers have set it up to look. You can navigate through wireless CarPlay here and easily access that underlying operating system at any time by touching the Hamilton button. Off to your left here, you're going to have your dock. This is Home, CarPlay, Bluetooth, Apps, Settings, and this one here is how you change your main action widget on the home screen. This is where music would show while it's now playing, and this is your main action widget. You can select from a variety of apps to appear on the home screen here. Touching the CarPlay button will take you back to CarPlay functionality at any time. Let me show you now how to properly disconnect CarPlay. If you pull out your iPhone and you swipe down from the control center, you'll notice now the Wi-Fi icon is white, even though we never manually paired the Wi-Fi to anything. CarPlay uses Bluetooth to initiate, and then the Apple system automatically takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. This is from Apple and not from Hamilton. You'll see to disconnect CarPlay, we can touch that Wi-Fi button, and the phone will prompt us to disconnect CarPlay. We can hit the disconnect button to disconnect it now. If you'll wait just a second, CarPlay will no longer appear on the screen. One other important note, if you want to prevent the device from automatically pairing, you need to disable Bluetooth immediately after disconnecting CarPlay. See how it automatically paired again? Watch now as I disconnect CarPlay, and then I turn off Bluetooth. Now CarPlay will disappear from the screen, and it will not be able to automatically reconnect. So if you want to prevent your device from reconnecting, touch the Wi-Fi, disconnect CarPlay, and then turn off Bluetooth. Turning Bluetooth back on after about a minute will allow CarPlay to automatically reconnect. You can see now how that Wi-Fi channel was taken over automatically and CarPlay is back on the screen. On the Hamilton underlying operating system, you have a variety of apps and features not available in CarPlay. You can use these either by pairing the device to your phone as a hotspot, or we have a SIM card tray for this device that allows for T-Mobile 4G SIM cards. I have a SIM card in my personal vehicle with a Hamilton screen in it. If you want to use your hotspot, you cannot have simultaneously CarPlay running and your phone paired as a hotspot. You'd have to disconnect CarPlay, then you'd come here to Settings, swiping down from the top twice, Settings, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi connection, and you could pair to your iPhone as a hotspot. We're going to have a full user manual linked on our product page. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We have live tech support here to help. You can talk to me or one of my qualified team members at 919-858-2890. I'll see you in the next video.